Hello everyone, welcome back again to our HTML adventures, and this is the last episode for our HTML adventures. Last time we learned how to make a moving text. This time let's try to color the text and also the background. So let's get started. First you put less than HTML greater than enter, less than head greater than space, less than title greater than hello, less than slash title greater than enter, less than slash head greater than enter, less than body greater than enter, less than body style equal quotation mark background hyphen color colon powder blue semicolon quotation mark greater than enter, less than marquee greater than enter space, less than h1 style equal color space colon red semicolon quotation mark greater than hello world, less than slash h1 greater than enter, less than slash marquee greater than enter, less than slash body greater than enter, less than slash html greater than. And that's how you make a colored moving text and background. I hope you learned something about our HTML adventures. This is Brax Calveramos. Goodbye and thank you.